Today I'm going to show you how to get Age of Extinction Galvatron back into truck mode. First thing you want to do is you want to open this up, move it back, and get it like this again, then move the legs so you have some clearance to move it back. Fold the arms up, fold the head back, move his arms like this, hold this like so, and there's these tabs right there, and they peg in like this for the feet, hold them up, flip up the heel spurs, move the legs like this, and tab them together, peg these together, and there you have Age of Extinction Galvatron back in truck mode. That's all for today. Bye.